To access Level 3 options trading on Robinhood, you first need to make sure you have a Robinhood account. If you do not have one yet, download the Robinhood app or visit their website to sign up. Once registered, ensure your account is set up for options trading. This typically requires a review of your financial situation and trading experience. Head to the account settings and complete the options approval process, which may involve answering a few questions. Once you have options trading enabled, you can apply for Level 3 access. To do this, go to the options trading section within the app. Look for the option that allows you to upgrade your account to Level 3 options. You may be asked to provide additional information, including your trading experience and how you intend to use these advanced option strategies. Be honest in your responses, as Robinhood evaluates each application carefully. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for a review. This process could take several days, so be patient. Once your application is reviewed, you will receive a notification regarding your level of access. If approved, you can start trading Level 3 options, which allows for more advanced strategies like spreads, straddles, and strangles. To maximize your trading success at this level, consider educating yourself about the various strategies and risks involved. There are many online resources, including tutorials, articles, and forums where other traders share their experiences. The more informed you are, the better prepared you will be to make smart trading decisions. Take your time to learn and practice on a virtual trading platform if necessary before fully diving in.